Alright, good morning everybody. It's currently actually 9:30. Water temperature is 81, but it's going to heat up real fast. Come out here, hopefully get into some fish real quick before they hide away. That's out towards the main Manatee River. We're going to head out there and see what we can find. We're on the hunt. Got one? Heck yeah. Tina's on.
Oh, cute. He got off right at the boat. That counts.
Well, feels like it's going to be a slow day. Personally, I'd rather just go out to the islands where we were catching fish yesterday, because this area has just been bunk. But anyways, the plan for like probably the next half hour or so is to hit all these areas, see if we get any bites, and then we'll move on to the islands that we were fishing yesterday. Okay, seen a couple of tarpon roll already, so we're in their habitat. Oh, had him on for a second. Had him on, he came off. All right, guys, so we're out here in the Marsh Islands area, in here on the Manatee River, just off close to the I-75 bridge, if you kind of want to know what area I'm talking about. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Fish on. I don't know what I have. It's going kind of crazy. Oh, is it a damn catfish? I think I got a catfish. Oh no, it's a little red. He's just going a little crazy. A little red. Yeah, he's a little spunky. I'm gonna let him wear himself out a little bit. Boy, he sure is colorful. He sure is colorful. They're blue. So pretty. Alright, little man. You done? You done messing around now? I'm gonna get myself all messed up here. There we go. Whew. Got my red. Got the skunk off the boat. Hey guys, cool. Hey, once you wear them out a little bit, they're not so, won't fight you as hard. There we go. Want to measure them real quick. Keep them in the water though, as long as I can. Umbrella's sort of a pain in the butt, but it's also kind of a lifesaver. Alright, and we are at 16 inches. Alright. He's a small guy. Pretty though. Alright, dude. Let this guy go. And there he is. Yeah!
Going this way, babe.
Okay. There we go. There we go. Right. Yeah. He didn't put up much of a fight. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's my second one. Pretty decent size little guy. He's smally, but he's probably a good 16, 17 incher. Nice golden color. Nice. Oh shit. That was fun. You damn tarpon. Picky ass. Oh, there you go.
That's a pretty good sized trout there, buddy.
Yeah.
You come over here, please. I can use the right hand.
Your little reel struggling?
I don't know. Look,
Yeah, I think they like to hang out right there.
look at this trout.
Yeah, he's decent size. Yeah, it's been kind of slow. Seen tarpon, been spotting them all over this dock area. They just aren't, they're not biting. Not interested in what we're throwing at all. And I don't expect they're too hungry. There's an abundance of bait here. Well, so far, just seeing that one breaking the top of the water. These guys are either not really hungry or they're just super cautious. They're only feeding on certain things, being very picky about their food. Ah, damn it. I'm not sure what that was. You're a little snook. Yep, there he goes. Yeah. What the hell? Oh, another one. He's like the world's smallest fish here. Ow, darn it. Check that out, guys. Wow, it must be the smallest one I've ever got. Holy crap, that's so cool. All right, man. So guys, check this out. The other day when I was going through the canal, going back home, and I was cleaning up the overgrowth, found this nice little Rapala top water plug. Got a big old ball bearing in there. It's pretty hefty, so you're gonna need a heavier rod. It's probably about 4 inches. Yeah, pretty nice. I was like getting free lures. Ow, just gotta catch something with it. Yeah, it walks nicely, makes a big old clicking sound. Yeah? All right. All right, Tina's on. Yeah? That'd be awesome.
Oh, yeah, that's a good red. I'll give you a little bit of that. Not too much. Sweet, right on my damn boat.
Heck yeah, sweet.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's a good red.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Oh, my God, babe. It's huge.
Nice. Congratulations, get him in the boat.
Holy crap. Get over here. I'm gonna need your help with this. Oh, he's angry. Oh. Not him.
All right, hold on. Hold on.
Oh, that's a big boy.
Oh yeah, baby. Nice. Oh, come on, get him in there. All right.
Oh my gosh. There you go, pull him in.
Well, I can't do two things at once.
Here, hold on. Oh, I'm stuck, like fucking crazy stuck. Oh my God, he's huge. Look at
Oh
him.
yeah, babe. Nice.
Oh my goodness, you're a big boy.
Dude. He's a monster.
I don't want to take him out of the water. Ooh, okay, all right. Psych.
There you go. Yeah, just do it that way.
Yeah. Oh, look at this big boy. Oh.
Here, I'll Here, you want me to give me the handle so I can hold on to it and you can
Here.
undo them? There you go.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do it this way. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah, you can. I think you can.
Oh.
You could have done it.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Get under there. Now, lift that part up. There you go.
Oh, God, big boy. Okay, he's a loose, so keep him in the water so he doesn't fucking freak out. Oh, he is big. Goodness.
You want a picture of him? All right, see what we got. Tina caught a 25. That's a 25er. Big old red. All right, this is Tina's, not mine.
He's got a leaf on him. It's cute.
Here. I'm going in. Oh, there you go.
Oh, yes.
So he was hiding what, deep in there?
He was all the way up on that bank.
Yeah. Hey guys. So we went out for a couple hours this morning. Still on the hunt for those tarpon. Here just are not biting. So going to have to switch it up to live bait, which I despise fishing for live bait in that whole process. But that's what we might have to do. And I only managed to land a few dinks. Nothing to write home about. Tina though managed to land a 25-inch slob redfish, so super stoked for her. We might come out this afternoon, weather permitting. So thanks for sticking around. We'll see y'all next time. Whoa, Tina caught on to something. What is it?
That was a gar.
Was it gar?
Oh my God.
I saw it.
Yeah.
Hey, good morning everybody. My name's Adrian. Welcome to my YouTube channel, I'd Fish That. So this morning we're out at Bradenton, Florida, here on the Manatee River. And it's Saturday. Tomorrow we're leaving down to Punta Gorda to another park that we like to go to. It's off of Alligator Creek. I've made a couple of videos, I think, from that area already a couple of months ago or so. So we're going back there. We're going to be bouncing around between here in Bradenton and Punta Gorda for the next couple of months until November, and then we're heading back home to Oklahoma. So it's Saturday. We're out here about 7:30 in the morning right now, and we've been spotting some tarpon up here. There are resident tarpon. They're hard to catch. I've only managed to hook on one so far, and I lost him right at the dock. He busted me off. But anyways, that's the plan. We're just gonna come out here for a few hours, see what we can get before we have to pack it up and hit the road tomorrow. So that's the plan. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave comments, and yeah, stick around for future videos. I'm up over 200 subscribers now, and coming up on my first year here this month. So yeah, I really appreciate it, guys. Okay, so we've reached the farthest dock. That's the main river, Manatee River there ahead of us. And all the tarpon have been in this area, going down about 3 or 4 docks. That's where we've been spotting most of them. Oh, that's perfect. There we go. We got a little one. Okay. Nice little snook. There we go. Just a little guy. But hey, we got something on board. That's all that really matters. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, little guy? Well, you got that in your pretty, weird angle. There we go. Now we can get it out. Try to do it without as least amount of damage as possible. There we go. All right, little guy. Here's a little dude. Nice looking though. Hello, man. See you later. What? Oh, yeah. I see it. Darn. Thought I was gonna get that damn tarpon to bite. Oh, I saw that way over there. Still ain't got no hits, guys. I switched it up to the Mulletron. I don't know what color this is, but it seems like goldish with red. Seems like a good color in this area. Like tannic water. But so far, just not gotten any luck, guys. So far, it's another slow morning. I'd be interested in fishing this area in the wintertime. I think it'd be much better. Because fish will come up here to get warm when the temperatures cool down in the shallower water with a dark bottom. It'd be a perfect spot for fish to come in the wintertime. So I think that's what's going on here. Now this is my second summer here in Florida. But the last summer I spent here, I didn't have a kayak. So it was much different. Basically fishing from docks and piers and things like that off the shoreline. And I didn't get into YouTubing at that time. So we've been full-timing now in an RV for 5 years. And I just started this last year. I wish I had gotten a kayak earlier and gotten this going earlier. Just hadn't gotten into it yet. I've always liked fishing. I just hadn't gotten into kayak fishing. Now I kind of wish I had done it much earlier. I could have gotten my channel started and, just been in at a time when it was still growing. At this point, I kind of feel like there's so much saturation that it's hard to get anything started, but it's not impossible. My intent's not to really make money off of it or anything, but hey, if I could make a little bit of money and have it like fund my fishing, I'd be stoked with that. Ron? Whoa, nice! There you go. Tina hooked on her tarpon. Happy for her, hell yeah. Nice. Hey, there you go, just back up. Nice.
I knew you were going to do that. Oh!
Awesome, babe.
Oh, I'm going to need help with this big boy.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. Oh,
Oh, man, outstanding, babe.
oh. Can't let go of the net. Aye. Psycho. Grab that net. Don't worry about the video. Oh, got him. He's heavy.
Okay, here. You videotape.
I'll let you
Awesome, babe. Woo, man, he's a nice one.
You got loose line. You're good.
Okay.
Oh, goodness.
Got him on Yozuri, huh?
Sorry.
Sweet. Congratulations, babe.
Oh,
You finally, is that your first tarpon you landed, right?
Ever, yes.
First tarpon ever.
I did good. I'm very
That's
tired.
nice. Whoa, buddy.
Crazy.
He's really tied up in that Yozuri right now. God dang it. It's gonna be a little bit of a hassle, but let me get him out of here. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Let's see how that's hooked on you. There you go. Okay. He's a little slimy. I wonder if they're going through some kind of like spawning.
I don't have big pliers. Put your big pliers on them so I can take a picture real quick. I just got the little blue pliers. Is that okay to do that to him?
Yeah, he's got a thick ass jaw. Oh, really? I got the... Oof. Okay. Jesus, you gotta be kidding me.
Away from you.
Yep, there we go.
Right here, take that. Oh, big boy. Put him right here.
Wow, there you go.
Yeah,
Outstanding. Let me take a picture
Tarpon.
real quick, okay? 9:40, so yeah, I imagine the fishing's gonna slow down a little bit, but we're gonna keep working these dogs from here and down. We just gotta, still quite a few more. And we'll see if get lucky again. I've been seeing the tarpon. I've been throwing at them, but they just have not taken a bite. So fingers crossed, just keep at it. Whoop. There we go. Interesting. What do we got? What do we have? Oh, what's going on in the boat a little bit? Yeah? I don't know yet. Oh, catfish. Darn. Later, dude. Okay, well, second fish of the day. Sneaky catfish. Alright guys, so we're back at the launch here, and yeah, we're gonna call it a day. Fishing stopped. We gotta go home and start packing up to leave tomorrow. But then we'll be coming at you from Alligator Creek down in Punta Gorda. Alright guys, thanks for sticking along. Hope you all have a good weekend. Enjoy yourselves, be safe, and we'll see you next time.